Today I'm just going all in. I have lost 10 pounds while filming this video. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Sophia. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is, as you can probably tell, a whole lot different. There's a whole lot going on. We got big hair for days, we got some sunflowers, we got butterflies. Literally, we got butterflies. I just wanted to do something a little more editorial, just creative. I've been really wanting to do this for mostly for my Instagram. This tutorial is just pretty much about having fun. I use the BARNES technique to contour my face. I have seen those videos everywhere. I think I'm the last black YouTuber here trying this out. I have tried it before, but the eye look I did, it was just like, it was pretty much garbage. So I tossed it out and decided not to post the video. This video took forever to film, but it was worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy the look. I hope you guys enjoy the melanin drip, you know. So if you do enjoy this video, or if you like this look already, go ahead and give this video a like. If you're new here, or if you haven't subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button. We're trying to grow our channel. We're trying to get to 1K subscribers. So hit the subscribe button and let's just jump right into this video. Okay, the first thing I did was prime my lids. I used the Plouise base. This one's Rumor Zero. Now to create this look, I'm going to be using my Juvias Zulu palette. And we're just going to be using the 3 colors on the first row. A little bit of brown, some yellow, and some orange. I'm going to take the brown and I'm going to apply that on my outer V. I just want to create a nice flare, a nice kind of smoky effect. Just little tapping motions. I'm going to apply that orange and a tiny hint of brown. And I'm just going to work my way forward. Or is it forward or backwards? Okay, and I'm just gonna work my way. I guess we're working backwards today, so yeah, I'm just gonna work my way backwards. So I'm taking these colors slightly above my crease. You want to leave enough space between, I guess, your crease and your brow, because there's still gonna be a little bit of blending going on towards the end. Next, I'm gonna apply the yellow, and yellow always gives me a hard time. I don't know if it's just me, but I just have to be like really gentle, kind of pampered into my eyes. So I'm just gonna dab that on. I'm just gonna build that up in layers. Now I'm gonna take a very small blending brush. This is my favorite blending brush. It just really gets in there. I'm gonna go back into the orange. And now we're gonna do what we always do, which is create a nice transition between the yellow and the orange. Now the yellow always fades, so you're gonna see me go back and forth. I'm just gonna keep reapplying the yellow and the orange when necessary, just until I have the look as, you know, saturated as possible. I'm gonna take whatever's left of that orange and I'm just gonna use tiny circular motions. I'm just gonna blend the crease. Now I'm gonna go in with a pointy blending brush and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the yellow. Now I'm just gonna blend upwards up into my brow. This on its own, I feel like is a look you can pretty much just line your eyes, put on some lashes, complete your face, and boom, you're all sunshine and rainbows. You know, it's perfect for summer. But if you want to see how I create this butterfly, I know it's not complete yet. If you want to see how I finished up the butterfly look, then stay on, keep watching. It's really simple. All you really need is a gel liner, or if you have a really good precise liquid liner, then go for it. But I decided to use a gel liner. It just seemed a whole lot easier to use. And then you also need a pointy eyeliner brush. You can be as creative as you want with the butterfly. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you make a mistake, you can clean it up. You just have to let it all flow. Okay, go with the flow. I'm gonna put my inspiration on the screen so you guys can see the butterfly that inspired this look. I started, if I can remember what I did, I started by drawing 3 lines. Let's go. And then one in the middle. I pretty much just went with my, I guess, with the folds on my eyes, just so it complements my eyes. And one more line just here, just as if you were lining your eyes. I'm gonna join the bottom part of the butterfly. For this side, I decided to draw out or over exaggerate the top, or the top half I should say, of the butterfly. I'm just gonna go upwards a little, and now I'm gonna go downwards and join it here at the middle. Okay, now this is looking very different. This one's a skinny butterfly, hasn't eaten for days. I'm gonna fatten it up. Okay, now I'm gonna take this lower one all the way, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line my eyes. I think I took this one way too in, so I'm just gonna draw my slant line from here. And then as it goes downwards, I'm just gonna curve. Now that that's done, all that's left is just to connect the lines. You can connect them whichever way you feel inspired to. I don't think you can really ruin the connection of the lines. You just want to start with slight strokes and then build up with your eyeliner. I think I have got both of them to look as even as possible. I also went ahead and applied some white liner to this one. I'm gonna show you guys, don't worry, how to do it just on this side. It's really simple. We're just pretty much creating dots and that's it. So the liner I'm using today is from Fenty Beauty. It's the Wet T-shirt liner. Now I'm just gonna create a mixture of big dots and small dots. For bigger dots, you just wanna apply more pressure. For smaller dots, you just wanna give a little tiny dab. So now let's jump into the Scott Band's contour technique because we're about to get his face snatched. So he doesn't use any primer, but I am going to be using some primer. I'll be using my Maybelline Master Prime primer. To be honest, I have tried this technique before. His technique is amazing. It works. It's pretty much flawless. But the last time I tried it without the primer, I'm not gonna lie, things were moving, things were shifting, and honey, not today. Today has to be perfect. If you have like really good skin, no hyperpigmentation, little or no texture, then go ahead, don't prime your face. But honestly, my skin, my face is still in struggle mode, so a little primer would go a long way. So primer's done.
What I like to do with this is to bring it in, and you just use...
Okay, so now he really went in with the concealer, so I'll go in with my Juvia's Place concealer, the number 16. I'm gonna take that right up, almost into my eyes. He takes the concealer right up there, right into the edge. Yes, this is the nose surgery that I never had. I'm gonna have it right now. Okay, now the brushes, or the brush he uses, looks so good. Seems to be doing the job. I don't have that kind of brush, so I'm just gonna use this. It's a big buffing brush or blending brush.
Now I'm starting to feel like that guy from, remember, who used to do the painting?
Bob Ross.
Yeah, I really do feel like Bob Ross. This is a lot of blending, guys. This is so much blending. Oh, God. Okay, so now next he moves on to jaws and he puts a dark concealer. So I'm going to take my dark Juvia's Place concealer, and this is not even dark. What he uses for TATI is way darker than her skin tone. This is what I use on a normal day. I wish I had a darker concealer, but I don't. So let's just play pretend here.
Oh, you named this look?
Yeah, it's called Snatchral.
Snatchral.
It's snatched, but natural.
Natural.
I love that.
Now let's minimize our neck. Yes. I don't think I need to minimize my neck, but sure, why not? I'm just taking that into my neck. We're just drawing the V there. You can barely see any difference. Okay. He even contoured the clavicle, so let's just go ahead. I'm gonna put some dark here, here, here. This is intense, guys. I better be looking like a male after all of this, cause I see that he's using the brush. Again, I don't have the kind of brushes he's using here. These are brushes on the budget, guys. Just gonna blend that. Whoa, I like that. I like that clavicle contour. I have lost 10 pounds while filming this video. Child, I'm gonna be looking bomb AF after this. Now we're gonna apply some of that dark concealer to the cheekbone area. I'm gonna go in, you know, what's the harm? Pack it on. Today, I'm just going all in. I really want to get the whole contour snatcher. Okay, so to contour the nose, he uses a really thin angled brush. I have this Morphe brush, the E29. Okay, I like this.
Now the trick to having a fuller lip is not overlining it to death.
Mine's a little messy, but it's long. Instead of using Chanel, we're gonna use the Maybelline Superstay foundation in 356, which is affordable and it does the job real good.
This is so
Starts with the chest, which is weird, but let's go. This would really help me because I'm pretty much hyperpigmented. I got some dark, some lights. It's just all over the place. It's Coke and Fanta over here, guys. I'm gonna apply the same foundation, to the contoured areas of my face. Goes in next with a lighter foundation and applies that to where the concealer was applied. The lightest foundation I have here is the Maybelline Fit Me 112. I don't have a cream blush, but I do have a cream concealer palette that I use on my clients. It has this orange here, and I think orange would really flatter this look. So I'm gonna dip into that orange, and I'm gonna pretend it's a blush.
Better than powder for a couple reasons. It looks like it's coming from inside the skin. We want you to look like a baby.
Like
Baby face.
Your blush brush.
What I'm doing here is just marrying everybody together. My favorite thing is...
Yeah, I'm gonna marry everyone together with my blending sponge. But I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place setting powder in Kalahari. This is black girl friendly. So let's just go ahead quickly. I can't tell if he set her whole face, but I am gonna be setting my whole face, at least every area where I applied the concealer. Okay guys, the contour is done. I went ahead and applied some false lashes. These lashes are from Morphe. They're the Confetti lashes. I also put on some baby oil. If you're wondering why I'm extra shiny, honey, it's just baby oil. I'm gonna apply some highlighter to those cheekbones. And just like he did, I just swirl around my Morphe highlighter palette. And I already put a little bit on my nose as well. My nose contour is looking real good. So now I'm just going to speed up the rest of the process. I just wanted to follow Scott Band's contour tutorial and just show you guys what it will look like. Okay, for lipstick, I'm going to line my lips with my MakeupShayla and Colourpop Speed Up Lip pencil.
Okay, we're gonna connect the top so that it's not two peaks.
To me, that's a little bit weird. I always have the two peaks. I think it's beautiful. I don't know. Well, let's just do it this way. Now for lipstick, I'm gonna be using my Pixie lipstick from Morphe. Just a little bit. I don't really want a pink nude. I kind of want a nude, so I'm just gonna tap in some concealer. Now lastly, I'm gonna apply some lip gloss. I'm gonna be using this gloss by Morphe. It's from the Morphe and Sweetie collection. It's called Boss Tycoon. I really love the way he applies glosses. Ever since I started doing my glosses that way, it just looks a whole lot better. Like taking it right all the way up. Oh, I don't even know why it makes a difference, but it does.
Now this is important. Tip alert. Feel what I'm doing? Going out to the edge. Not, I'm taking it and out into the edge.
All right, so I think that's it. I think we are ready to take some pictures. Actually, we're not. Scratch that. Okay, we're just gonna do a little something to the bottom lash here. I'm just gonna quickly line my waterline, and I'm just gonna put on the tiniest bit of mascara, and that's all. All I really want to do is apply a tiny bit of highlighter to my inner tear duct. So I'm gonna go to my Morphe palette and apply Lit. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna spritz my face with my Morphe setting spray, the Morphe and Sweetie. Okay, now I smell as good as I look. Okay. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave all your comments in the comment section. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow in my next video, okay? Take care. Stay safe. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.